Advancing responsible, responsive and resilient quality in education haiba hiramda malemgi thakta numit nini chupna chathagadaba international conference among ase Thangmaiban DM College campus to Leibak Government Hindi Teachers Training College da hodokre. Council of Educational Administration and Management Manipur chapter amasung Teachers Training College anina punna khutsamnana sinduna pangtokhiba thawramaduda Wangkhei AC gi MLA TH Arunkumar hai Leibak asida leiminariba Tongan Tonganba Phurup Singi Marakta Pao Phaonabada Hindi lona Achouba Thoudang Louri natana lona sina lengak lalon itek amadi mahima singi lamda thabak tawbadasu Achouba mateng pangli Ngasidagi hoduna numit nini chupna chathagadoriba conference asigi hiram ase matam asiga yamna chunaba oibagi mathakta mahimasingi lamda hena khumang chawshinbada mateng oigane mahimasingi lamda malemda ngasi chathanariba kanglon sing ase tung iduna afaba mahairoi seng puthoknaba hotnabagi changai fadabalei Ojagi sinfamda thautawriba singnasu mahairoi sengi marakta afaba Mari Thamduna, Afaba Kunai, Amapuratnaba, Awang Mathakta, Honaminasi Hainasu, Mahakna Makatana Funduke, Thawramaduda MLA TH Arunkumar, MUG Department of Hindi Professor, Yaswan Singh Amade, GHTTC Principal Professor, Asas Sinhana Maru Oiba Mitunglen Singh Oina Sarugyaki.
Education serves as the foundation of our society, and in these challenging times, we must ensure that our educational systems are acceptable and inclusive. A critical aspect of this is the role of the Hindi language in India. Spoken by millions across the country, Hindi serves as a bridge connecting diverse communities, playing a crucial role in effective communication and opening doors to opportunities in government, business and education. This business and education shows the importance of institutions like government, Hindi teachers training, college in our society. The theme, advancing responsible, responsive and resilient quality in education is particular timely we navigate the challenges and opportunities in today's landscape.